You see, now he's used to it, baby. You see? Now he's used to it. Now he can eat. They love waxworms. Just I'm telling you, it's the best worm.
You look like a.
I think it's just cold. You see, now he's used to us. He has no choice but to eat.
Because he doesn't want to go to the human society.
Uh-huh. Come on, this right, they were gonna kill him anyway.
Open your mouth. Cuckoo, cuckoo,
He's probably so full.
cuckoo. Oh, cuckoo, open your mouth.
He's so full. That's too much for a little bird. You see how his belly is? His belly's so small. He's probably so full.
They said that they collect at behind his neck, no?
Hmm?
Cuckoo.
Okay, that's all, baby. Don't record that much.